Now we're ready to attach Hello Kitty's arms. We're going to start with her left hand side, which is on our right hand side. Before placing the arm, we're going to look at her hand area. We're going to see where the color change occurs and where the ruffles meet. We're going to face this area towards the back. We're going to place the arms 2 rows below from where her head is attached. We're going to align the arm with her whiskers and her legs. Once we know where we're going to place the arm, we want to hold the arm in place. I'm going to use a short knitting needle to do that. To make it more comfortable, I'm going to turn the Hello Kitty around in an angle so that I have easier access to sew on the arm. Then I'm going to take the tail of the yarn and thread it through a darning needle. You're going to want to use a bent darning needle because it'll make it a lot easier to sew on the arm. I'm going to start by inserting the darning needle into the hole on the second row below her head. And then I'm going to weave it through the third row, and then I'm going to pull it all the way through, ensuring that it's nice and tight on the body. Now we can remove the knitting needle. Next, we're going to squeeze the stitches of the arms together and put our needle through the first stitches. It's both of the V's on each side. We're going to pull the yarn through and we're going to start the same process. This time we're moving to the next hole on the second row and we're going to weave the needle through the third row. Then we're going to pull it up and then we're going to go to the arm and go through the next set of V's on each side of the arm. And we're going to continue the same process until we reach the end. Here we just have one more set of stitches. We're going to put it through the 2 stitches on the body and then through the 2 stitches on the arm. Once we pull the yarn through, we're ready to finish it off. We're going to make sure that it's nice and tight, and we're going to go back into the same 2 stitches on the body. But this time we're just going to go back through the top of the arm and bring the needle all the way towards the bottom of the arm. Make sure that it's nice and tight so that it won't unravel. And now we're just going to cut the yarn, and now we're done with attaching our arm. And now we're going to do the same with Hello Kitty's right arm, which is on our left side. For this arm, we're going to follow the same process, but this time we'll be sewing from right to left because that's where the tail of the yarn starts. Once we're done sewing on our Hello Kitty arm, we're going to cut the yarn off. And now we're finished with sewing on Hello Kitty's arms.